this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. Open Instagram first like this. And when you will open it, you will see the home page. So after this, click on your profile. So when you click on your profile, click on the three line in the corner of the screen in the top. So right now you have to click on account center like this, and after this you should go click on manage accounts. Click on it, click account ownership and control, and click deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram, click delete account here and click continue. After that, click continue again and continue again. Click something else, click continue, and also click continue here. And right now, click continue. You have to add your password and your account will be deleted. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.